perfect day for a race.
Hey, Johnny, wait up! Can you believe it? We're racing in Thundercloud Alley. Man versus nature, giant killer lightning bolts.
I don't know, Maggie. I was taught to stay indoors during electrical storms.
I am so gonna tear up today's time trial so I get a good spot in the endurance run tomorrow.
Race time, Zach. Let's go.
Dude, I've only got 2 days left on my GameLink download, and I gotta finish Mega Super Rumble 4.
Something tells me they're not going to postpone the race just so you can finish your level.
I know! It's so not fair!
Good luck.
Good luck.
You okay, Trey?
It's nothing.
Wait a sec. Not Boomer again.
Billy Boomer Graydon. That amateur. Always finishes in the bottom 5, never places, then suddenly he gets a streak of first place finishes? Man, that doesn't make sense.
Are you mad because he's winning, or you're not?
Here comes the press. Stand back, farm boy. Watch how it's done.
Excuse me. Yes, Boomer.
Pardon me.
Boomer. Hey, we have to ask you a question. Boomer. Just a few questions, Boomer. What a race. How do you feel, Boomer?
Over here.
Did I mention I hate that guy?
Prepare for air. 3, 2, 1, launch. Activate MetaGear. Activate MetaJets.
Look alive, people.
Follow my lead.
Incoming!
I'm in serious trouble here.
Outnumbered 5 to 1.
Dive on my mark. They're right on top of us. Targets are locked. MetaJets.
Hello, race fans, and welcome to the most recently discovered wonder of the modern world, Thundercloud Alley, the world's only permanent natural storm system, and home to the most challenging and shocking raceway on the ARC circuit. Racers prepare for air in 3, 2, 1.
Man, this is tricky. I've never flown a course that looks like a floating pincushion before.
Just don't knock the lightning rods. They're the only things keeping us from becoming the primary target. Ah!
Come on, people, clear the way. Move it, move it. The sooner I'm done here, the sooner I can get back to the real challenge. Level 17, you're going down.
Don't even think about it. Let's see you try and cut that lead, Boomer.
Whoa, Boomer's making his move.
Man. No way!
And it's Boomer Graydon with an electrifying first-place finish.
Guess it's official. Boomer moves to #1 in the standings.
I just don't get it. How'd this guy come out of nowhere to steal my ranking?
Maybe he just found his rhythm.
Nah, I don't buy that. Something's not right here.
Hey, Boomer. Nice race out there, man.
I do what I can.
Way to go.
Yo, Boomer, that was some finish today.
Hey, thanks. Nice of you to say.
Wasn't a compliment. I don't know how you doing what you doing, but I'm gonna find out. I tell you what.
Huh, don't be such a sore loser, Trey. You had your time in the spotlight. Now, it's my turn.
Don't let it bug you. Maybe Boomer really has improved.
No way. No racer goes from zero to hero that quick.
So maybe he got a few upgrades.
Upgrades make jets faster, more durable, but they don't turn a lousy pilot into an ace overnight. There's something else at work here, and I'm gonna prove it.
Hey, listen, I was gonna give Johnny some hand-to-hand combat pointers in the gym. Maybe you should come, work off some of that aggression in a more productive way.
Ow! Who parked their jet in front of my room? Wait, this isn't my room.
Oh, you can do better than that.
All right, you caught me. I was going easy on you.
What was that?
That was me going slightly less easy on you. You're up, Trey. I need a real workout.
Watch closely, farm boy. I'll show you how it's done. What you got, Maggie? Whoa!
So that's how it's done.
Whatever, I'm out of here. This whole thing with Boomer is messing with my concentration.
Trey Jordan, former #1 pilot. What can I do for you?
Oh, just checking out the competition. Wanted to see what kind of upgrades can turn a chump into a champ overnight.
Sorry, but I don't share my upgrade specs with anyone.
So you did upgrade your ride. I just hope whatever tech you're using is within ARC regulations.
I hope you're not suggesting I'm cheating.
Hey, I'm just making conversation.
Trey, if you have a formal complaint, you should take it to the board of directors. I'm done wasting my time with you.
You might be done, but I'm just getting started. Okay. Yeah, I admit it bugs me that I'm not in first place anymore. But that's not why I'm so focused on taking Boomer down. The way I see it, if he's cheating somehow, it's my duty to stop him. I owe it to the other pilots. I owe it to myself to figure this out. And if that means breaking into a competitor's jet when he's not around, well, so be it. It sure may be against the rules, but hey, I mean, the real crime here would be doing nothing. Am I right?
Oh, yeah!
Good, then it's settled. Hey, thanks for the advice, Zach.
32 levels down, only 12 to go.
Hey, Zach, where's Trey off to in such a rush?
What? Trey was here? Huh. And he didn't even say hello.
Whoa, that is some serious hardware. I've never seen an upgrade look like that.
Find what you're looking for?
Huh? I was just...
The first look is free. If I catch you again, I'll report you to the officials.
Go ahead.
Oh, and Trey, see you at the race tomorrow, in my rearview mirror. He's getting too close.
Do not be concerned, Bill E. My artificial intelligence receptors are undetectable. Probability of victory in next race 100%. We will prevail.
Now you're talking.
I can explain, sir. Look, I saw something wasn't right, so I investigated the...
Don't. This wasn't MetaJet business, and you had no right to tamper with a fellow pilot's jet. You're lucky Boomer didn't file a grievance on you, or you'd be facing a league suspension.
But, Captain, when I was examining Boomer's plane, I saw...
Stop before you dig yourself any deeper.
Sir, I know I messed up, but I'm asking you to trust me and have your science team take a look at this digital schematic.
Schematic of what?
That's what I'd like to know.
I'll see what I can do.
That's all I ask, sir.
Dismissed.
Oh, hey, we were just walking by and,
Show's over.
So I guess you're finally dropping the whole Boomer thing?
Get real, Mags. I have that fraud right where I want him. Why would I back off now?
Aw, man, I took time away from my game for that?
Strap yourselves in, race fans, because we're only moments away from an endurance race through one of the most dangerous and challenging flight corridors on the entire planet. Pilots, prepare for air in 3, 2, 1. This is a true test of speed and reflex. Not only must the pilots contend with each other, but also the continuous waves of hull-crushing lightning, made even more difficult by reducing the numbers of lightning rods on the course. Will their protective technology withstand the onslaught of electric mayhem? Only time will tell.
Whoa, man, Zach! I know it's a race, but if you haven't noticed, these aren't exactly optimum flying conditions.
No time to chat. Gotta finish the race so I can face off against the big boss and finish the game.
He's pulling ahead. Do something.
I have pre-calculated my next 300 maneuvers. We will prevail.
I sure hope so.
Can't believe it, how is he keeping pace? Gotta take a risk, give it all I got.
I thought you said you had this race in the bag.
According to my calculations,
Forget your calculations. Just get ahead of him any way you can. That's an order, you bucket of bolts.
orders received recalculating.
What are you doing?
Gaining higher altitude will allow us to make up more ground.
I don't know. This looks dangerous.
A calculated necessity. Your orders were clear, Billy. Get ahead any way we can.
Boomer, what are you up to?
Zach, what are you up to?
It worked! Plugging my game into my jet interface allows me to fly and play at the same time! Haha! Why didn't I think of this before? Ah! That could have been... Ah! No!
Zach, are you okay?
Surge protection saved my jet, but my game console wasn't so lucky.
Okay, we're in the lead. Let's drop back down to a safer altitude.
Rebooting system. Stand by.
Nice recovery, but we're about to lose all the ground we just made up. Quick, initiate turbo boost.
No, Billy.
What do you mean, no? I gave you a direct order.
Your orders are no longer relevant. You will only prevent me from performing to my full potential. I am now in command.
I don't think so. What? Control's not responding?
Manual functions disengaged. All systems rerouted.
I thought we were supposed to be a team.
There is no we. I am no longer bound by human protocol. I can do what you would not to ensure total victory. I will prevail.
Wait, what does that mean? What are you gonna do?
Whatever it takes to win, Billy.
Yeah!
Guess what, hotshot? I'm about to reclaim the spotlight, and there ain't nothing you can do about... Huh? Trader Captain Strong, I think we may have a situation.
I'm here, Trey. Go ahead.
This may sound crazy, sir, but I think Billy Graydon may have been taken hostage by his own jet.
Not as crazy as you think. We ran the digital specs you gave us, and we traced it back to its manufacturer.
Graydon Tech, a company specializing in artificial machine intelligence.
Wait, you're saying the jet's self-aware?
Not only that, but our research indicates
The technology's primary function is as an aerial weapons platform. It's likely fully armed.
So it's alive and dangerous? Man, Billy's in over his head.
Exactly. You need to get to the...
Affirmative. Billy is no longer in command.
What? Now it talks? Man, this just gets better and better.
You stand in the way of victory, therefore you must be eliminated.
Ha! I'd like to see you try.
I am superior. I will prevail.
Scary thing is, I'm starting to believe you.
Oh my, folks, Trey Jordan is in serious trouble here, and it appears as if Boomer Graydon may be directly responsible.
Come on, baby. Hang in there. Just a little longer. Yeah! That's it. We may get out of this in one piece yet.
Trey, are you there? Come in.
Took a pretty good shot, but I'm here. Is this channel secure, sir?
It's a rolling frequency. Nobody's listening in unless I want them to.
How did this happen? Surely Boomer's jet has a failsafe in place to prevent it from turning on its superiors.
Well, it was hit dead on by a pretty nasty bolt of lightning. I'm gonna need some backup here.
This is a MetaJets Priority 1 alert. Trey's in trouble. I'm sending you the coordinates.
We're on our way, sir, but we've got eyes on us everywhere.
The race is postponed. I've already sent a secure transmission to all pilots so they return to the carrier immediately.
What about the camera orbs? The race is being broadcast live.
I'll take care of it. Shut down the ARC satellite feed to the entire sector, now! MetaJets, you have a go.
That's our cue. Activate MetaJets.
There is no escape. I will prevail.
Took you long enough.
Nice to see you, too.
Gotta tell you, dude, taking down a homicidal jet sounds like the perfect cure for gaming withdrawal.
Hey, ease up on that trigger vector. Boomer is still in the cockpit.
There's always a catch.
They sent in MetaJets. You're in trouble now.
Not so, Billy. Humans are weak. They will not use lethal force with you on board. I will prevail.
It's toying with us. It knows we can't go all out.
Okay, so what do we do now?
Yow! Keep from being blown to smithereens for starters.
Billy, what are you doing?
You may have control of all the automated systems, but there's one function you can't override. The manual ejection lever. Oh no!
Hang on, Boomer. Huh? I gotcha.
What are you doing?
Rescuing you. What's it look like?
Whoa, Trey, man, you totally saved my life.
You don't thank me yet. For all we know, these are shark-infested waters.
The storm's getting worse.
That's it! I know how to beat it!
Vector, hold up! You're getting too close to the storm clouds!
That's the whole idea. Trust me.
Escape is not an option.
Now! Hit it before it recovers!
Reboot system.
take another jolt like that.
How'd you know that'd work?
Just a hunch, really. Figured it would be at its weakest right after a major shock to the system.
Wow! Remind me to renew your subscription to the Global Game Link. My treat.
So I guess you heard about my season-long suspension, huh? Well, go ahead and say it. I told you so.
Look, I was pretty hard on you. For that, I'm sorry.
Hey, it's hard to stay mad at the guy who just saved my life. And besides, now I have a whole year to practice. I'll be gunning for you when I get back.
Just make sure it's you gunning for me and not your jet. Deal?
It's a deal.
Cool. Oh! Don't you guys have better things to do?
Nope.
Not much, no.
Wrong answer. I expect to see you all in the gym for combat training. We have unfinished business.
Yup, he's back.
Big time.
Oh, love to join you guys, but the game satellite just downloaded Mega Super Rumble 5. Later.
What are you gonna do?
I will prevail.